Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page. So there's three ways to go with this. First of all, you need to check if your Wi-Fi is on. Make sure that your connection is well and good and fast. Next step, we're gonna go ahead to our general and we're gonna go to iPhone storage and we're gonna search for Safari. All right, so once we click the Safari, we're gonna go ahead to website data and we're gonna wait for a couple seconds. And as you can see right here, this is all the data that I have on my website. So I'm gonna just remove all website data and that should fix your problem. If it's not, you're gonna just head back. All right, and you gotta search for Safari app right here, and once you find it, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down and you're gonna clear history and website data. So once you clear history and data, this should fix the problem of not opening your page. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the